In this video, we show the fire resistance test of the NCT CEM R4 renovation mortar applied to a metal profile with a layer thickness of 10 mm. The mortar was subjected to an extreme temperature of 1300 degrees Celsius for an uninterrupted period of 7 hours. During the first 4 hours of the test, the sensor placed in the middle of the metal profile indicated a maximum temperature of only 340 degrees, which confirms the excellent thermal insulation of the NCT CEM mineral material. After 5 hours of burning, the temperature of the steel remained at around 335 degrees, which is still below the critical threshold for the structural strength of the metal. After 6 hours, the mortar still effectively insulated the heat. The temperature of the steel was 333 degrees Celsius. After 7 hours of testing, the sensor indicated a value of 336 degrees, which means that even with such prolonged exposure to fire, the steel remained at a safe temperature. Throughout the entire test, the temperature of the steel did not exceed 350 degrees Celsius. Summary: after 7 hours of continuous exposure to a temperature of 1300 degrees, the mineral mortar NCT CEM R4 limited heat penetration to the metal surface to a level not exceeding 350 degrees. Additionally, we present the stages of metal cooling at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees. Thank you for your attention, and we invite you to collaborate with us, specialists in mineral technology, VOC-free, fire protection, and waterproofing.